Welcome to PLN video tutorial number 4. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the appearance or the theme of your blog. WordPress provides a number of different templates that can affect and alter the actual appearance of how your blog appears when it's being viewed over the web. Now, some templates are better than others, and certainly some templates are better for the purposes of a PLN than others. The template or the appearance that you've seen in the video tutorial so far with the photograph banner at the top is a very basic one, and we're going to be using this one for a few more weeks. But in terms of delivering content for a PLN, there are actually better themes to use. But when you set up your blog for the first time, you can't actually guarantee that you're always going to get the same template. So I want to make sure that we're all operating from the same one. So what I'm going to do is briefly change to another template, and then we're going to go back to the template that you can see at the moment on the screen, and that way I can ensure that when you're watching these video tutorials that you are actually watching the same thing that I'm talking about. So if you go up to My Blogs at the top, click on it, run your mouse over the name of your blog, and then go to Dashboard. And in the left hand side column, if you go down to Appearance and click on that. And this will give you a number of different templates. Now you'll see at the top where it says Current Theme, this is the one that is currently being used, and it's called 2010. So what you might just want to do is select another one of the templates. I'm going to select this one on the right hand side called Ahimsa. And this will give you a preview of what your blog would look like if you're using that template. If you go to the top right hand corner of that preview window where it says Activate Ahimsa, click on that once. Then go to the WordPress logo on the left hand side of your screen and click on the name of your blog next to it. And you'll see that the blog has turned to this format. Now I actually do like this format. I think it looks really, really good. But in terms of delivering content for a PLN, it's not the best, which is a shame because I think it's a really slick, contemporary looking feel to it. So what I'm going to do now is go back to the themes, and I'm going to change the original template that I was using, and as I said, thereby assuring that everybody's using the same one. Once we're in the flow of using a blog, I'm more than happy for you to go and change, but in terms of keeping the video tutorials in order and making sure that you know so that you're able to follow what I'm saying, I'd advise you that you don't change the template until I advise you to do so. So once again, up to My Blogs, run your mouse over the name of your blog and into Dashboard. Go back to Appearance. And what we want to do is change from this current theme to the original one that we had. So if we scroll down and see if we can find it. So it's not on the first page, so click on the number 2 at the bottom right hand corner and move to the second page and carry on scrolling down. And on the right hand side we have the one called 2010. So click on the template once. This will give you a preview. We're happy with that. Click Activate 2010 in the top right hand corner of the preview window. And we're going to check that by clicking on the link in the top left hand corner by the WordPress logo. And there we have it. We're back to our original template. So I'd like you all to make sure that you're operating off this template at the moment.